Hi, Amani. And hi, baby Anaya. Hello. We've got an unboxing today, Amani. What is an unboxing? Oh, what's that? Is it a Chase Pop House building set?
Yeah.
Building block set? Wow. Check it out. Where's Chase, Amani? There he is. Woo. Building block set for what age? Let's have a look what age it's for. Wow, look at the building block
1, 2,
set.
3.
1, 2, 3. I think it's for little toddlers as well, isn't it? Oh, 1 to 5. Yay! Oh, what's Anaya doing?
Hello.
Hello. Cuckoo. Okay, shall we go ahead and unbox it, Amani? Let's open it. Oh, what is that?
Look, lots of stickers.
Stickers. What else? So you got some stickers, and what's that? Tip it down. Let's have a look. Whoa! Building blocks set. I think Anaya can play with these. Actually, she might be a little too small for these. When she's 1 year old, she can play. And look, there's Chase there. We need to get Chase out. Let's have a look at the stickers. Ooh, what stickers are these? Check them out.
What do you build?
What are you building, Amani?
This.
Is it Chase's Pop House?
Yeah.
Wow, check it out, guys. You built a Pop House for Chase. And you also get the Chase figurine. Not bad at all. Paw Patrol to the rescue. So it's to build fine motor skills, problem solving, and counting as well. Woo! You can count, can't you, Amani?
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, there's Chase. Hello, Chase. You're doing a good job, Amani. How's the building going?
Good.
Wow. Shall we follow the instructions? I think it's on the side of the box. Tells you how to build it. Okay, Amani, we've got the side wall of your pop house built. There's one wall there. There's another
Oops,
wall.
it broke.
Oh, is it broke? There is the top. Ooh, Amani's doing it right actually, look. So now we need to put that wall on this side. Excellent. Oh, excellent. Well done. And now we need to get the front of the house. The pop house. Yeah, well done, Amani. Have you done it?
No. Let me
Put that in there and that one in there, yeah. Yay! Check it out, guys. Look at that. And now, where's Chase? Get Chase. Chase needs to go into inside his pop house. Oh, he can actually sit there, I think. Ooh, on the top.
Go inside his
Ooh.
pop house.
Yeah, well done. You've done it, Amani.
This.
These are just some spares, I think.
Oh, look. There's supposed to be a big one and a small one.
There's a big one there.
No, that's a small one. We need a big one.
This is a small
there's
one.
one big one
And-
and one small one.
Let's have a look.
Look, there's one big one and there's one small one.
Oh, sorry. Okay, let's have a look. Hello, Chase.
Look,
Are you in your pop house?
there's a big one and a small one.
Honey, we forgot something. We need to
Decorate it.
we need to decorate it with the stickers. Yeah, let's decorate Chase's pop house with the stickers.
Just go and just...
Wow. You can put it anywhere. Put it there even.
No, that's not where you put
Okay,
it.
we're going to put it there.
There.
Yeah, that's nice.
Dad, the Paw Patrol bag.
Where's the Paw Patrol badge?
Oh, it doesn't
check it
show
out.
you.
Okay, where are you going to put that? How about there on this one?
No, look. It doesn't
On this one.
Where do
You can put it wherever. You can decorate it however you like.
It's not showing there. I think it goes in here.
Some more stickers. Where's the window, Amani?
Here.
Ooh, check it out.
Where do you put it? On the side of Mommy?
That looks beautiful. Paw Patrol Pop House by Nickelodeon.
Where do you put this?
All done, Amani.
No, this is
Check it out.
Let me just put him in.
Yay! Let's see if Chase wants to come out of his pup house. Hello!
He's trying to climb up.
Oh, what's baby Anaya doing? Hello! Cuckoo! Oh, see.